in half. So bring this side over, and then I'm going to twist this around, keep twisting, and as I'm twisting, I'm picking up more parts of the hair. So I twist and then I secure in place along the way with little curvy grips by just going in and then back on themselves.
Don't worry about making this perfectly neat. We want this to look like we haven't made too much of an effort, but it just looks really pretty and natural.
If you've actually got a fringe cut in, you can just sweep it to the side, but if you're like me, you've got a longer fringe and trying to grow mine out, I just again will twist it, and again we'll keep picking up more of the hair. Don't worry if it doesn't look neat, we don't really want it to look too neat. And then once I've got kind of the front section of this hair, I scoop up this part and then I twist it all together, and as I twist I then start to wrap it round in a little bun, and then this part that you've got left over, you just tuck it under your twist so it's neat, and you're just going to put another curvy grip in there. Then what I do with this little bun here is kind of spread it out to make it look thicker, so I will just fan out the hair a little bit. Again, don't worry, you don't want it to look too neat. And then at the front part around here, I will just loosen it just a touch, just to give it a bit more undone kind of look. So if you leave your hair like this to dry by the afternoon or the evening, if you want to change up your look, you can let this down and you'll have really lovely kind of natural beach waves that you've created without any heat. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you soon in another video. Bye!